Let's go back to the authoring tool. The first step is to choose a name for your simulation. Next, let's cast the participants in the play. You can choose as many as you like. Then choose the avatar that will be played by your user. If you decide to incorporate audio in the conversation, select the audio recording checkbox. Note that your browser may require you to confirm this selection. If you want to incorporate images in the opening and closing scenes of the game, this can be done here. Just make sure that your image is no more than 500 pixels wide. There is also an option for inserting text that will be presented before the simulation starts and after it ends, instead of or in addition to the image. This can be a great way of explaining the purpose of the simulation or ending it with a short summary. Now let's choose the type of game that we want to play. The game can be free play, no disqualifications or points. Disqualifications define the number of errors allowed. Points. Collect points for each answer and receive a final score. Each answer will be assigned a certain score. Points for qualities. Select 3 qualities that will be scored for each answer.